I'm so glad you stopped by to check out our Think Peach episode. Holy cow. So hey, for those of you who don't know me, I am Tracy Hyde. I'm your average 31 girl who loves Def Leppard. Yes, I know. Probably the majority of the videos that you have caught me in have had Def Leppard. I've been wearing a Def Leppard t-shirt. I also have a great banner that a very sweet lady gave me. Anyways, because you know they came out with makeup and it was just crazy. Anyway, so it is time for our Think Peach segment episode. I'm not sure what I want to call this, but I want to tell you peach is the color of the year. So this spring, this summer, peach has already been this huge just very, very popular color to go with. And we have it in a variety of like shades. So we have our lovely peach transit tote. I don't know if you've seen it. If you haven't seen it, I have another video that I'll send. I will set a card to post right here so that you can go check this out if you need to. It is the cutest bag. And I absolutely love it. I have another one in black that I've been carrying because like, why not have more than one, right? Why not have one in different colors? That's kind of my thing. Anyways, so peach is like this fabulous color right now. So we have it in our transit tote, super duper cute, great. Anybody works in education or healthcare or really anything that you're going to leave the house in has a antimicrobial coating on the outside of it, so it helps keep the bugs off a little bit. So super cute, but so very, very lovely, but also pairs really nicely with our deep coral, which is more of a faux leather. This is a more faux leather color. And also our super adorable Sedona Stripe, right? So lots of peach to check out. The Sedona Stripe, this is super cute. This is one of our, it's called the Clear Clip Pouch. Thermal on the inside, has a pocket here, that you can actually stick my phone in here. Watch this. I can use my phone through this. So what a great little bag that is perfect for, I mean, I put sand and sun, but like to take to the beach with you, right? So that you don't have to worry about your phone getting sandy or getting sand in it. You can put it in here and zip this closed and you can still use it, except I don't know if you could talk on it. Maybe. It's possible. It has a great little clip here that you can attach it to bigger bags, like our super cute, also in the Sedona Stripe, which has that beautiful, again, that gorgeous peach in it. And this is a great beach bag. If you haven't seen this, this is our New Horizons tote. So check this bad boy out. It's enormous. It's going to be your favorite beach bag to take with you because you can roll up. Goodness, you're going to be able to fit six beach towels in here, depending on how very large they are. But roll those bad boys up and keep stuffing them in here until it's full. But so then you have this on your shoulder. This can go right in here. And, voila, right? Here we go. And again, in this gorgeous, gorgeous variety of peach and this gorgeous maroon or wine color that you might like. And our fabulous flip-flops came back. Did you know the flip-flops will be back until, I think they said the end of August, when our new catalog launches in September. We'll have a new fall one that launches in September. I believe this one is staying all summer with us. So, right? So peach, right? All the peaches. And then we have our gorgeous, like I said, our deep peach, right? Smooth pebble, deep peach, deep coral peach, I think is what they called it. Super duper cute. This is on our tapered pouch. But is available on a few other items like our cord wrap keychain, right? You can do that. You could also pick this color up in a mini All About the Benjamins wallet or a full size All About the Benjamins wallet like this one, right? So you could get either one in this deep coral peach. So 31 did not disappoint. 31 did not disappoint when it came to this beautiful peach color and all of the things that could go with it. See, I bet you can't tell that I like this maroon, the burgundy as well. And then while we're thinking about wallets, you can also coordinate and get into a deeper color with our beautiful coastal red, which is more like just a touch deeper than our gorgeous deep coral peach. So another take on that peach color, right? Super duper cute. So for more information on our beautiful peach colored all the goodies, you need to check it all out. I totally know. I absolutely know. In the first comment below, you're going to be able to find ways that you can reach out to me or just go check out the website and see what is available in this beautiful peach. You can just go to the search bar and type in peach. It'll bring up all things peach. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that this video brought you some value. And if it did, give me a like, share with somebody else that you know loves peach and needs to think peach for this season. And then don't forget, if the subscribe button below is red, click on it. Come on, let's have fun. Let's have fun. Are you Def Leppard girl too? Do you love 31? Oh my gosh. We could start a club. Let's do it. Go check out another video, please. Thank you.